Nations were designed to govern people. They were never designed to govern planets. This distinction matters more now than at any other time in human history. Planetary systems do not recognize borders. The atmosphere moves freely. Oceans circulate globally. Weather systems cross continents without permission. Yet humanity attempts to solve planetary-scale problems using nation-scale tools. This creates structural failure. Every nation acts in its own interest because it must. Energy security, food security, economic stability, political survival. No leader can sacrifice their population's welfare for a global abstraction. Even when leaders understand the danger, they are constrained by elections, budgets, and borders. This is not incompetence, it is design. Climate agreements fail because enforcement is voluntary. If one nation complies and another defects, the defector gains economic advantage. This creates a race to the bottom. The system rewards non-cooperation. Planetary cycle theory explains why this cannot be fixed through diplomacy alone. Nations operate on short political cycles. Planets operate on long physical cycles. When these timelines collide, physics always wins. Carbon does not care who emitted it. Oceans do not care who polluted them. Feedback loops do not pause for negotiations. A planetary problem requires planetary authority, not world government, not empire, but a structure that exists above national competition and below planetary physics. A structure whose sole mandate is system stability, not political victory. Until such a structure exists, nations will continue to treat planetary collapse as someone else's problem. In the next episode, we define what planetary authority actually means and what it does not.